What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about 5 Shopify apps that can make you $1,000 a month or more each. Now, these are 5 apps that I use personally that have made me a lot of extra money. So these are apps that I'm not just recommending, they're ones that I use myself currently as well. So if you don't know me, my name is Sean. This channel is all about how to build a successful e-commerce business. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe below and let's just hop right into it, okay? So the first app we have on this list of 5 is called Abandonment Protector Plus. Now, if you guys are experienced at Shopify or dropshipping or whatever, you probably know about this app, okay? So basically what this app does is, say a potential customer comes to your store and they abandon their cart. What this app does is it sends out a sequence of automated emails, 3 emails, that tell them or incentivize them to come back and finish their purchase. So the way I have it set up is after 10 minutes, the first email goes out. That's just a normal email saying, hey, come back and finish your purchase. We still have your cart available. The second email is a 15% discount coupon code included in that. So it says, okay, this goes out after 5 hours, and it says, okay, we noticed you still haven't checked out. We have a 15% coupon code just for you, available for the next 24 hours only. Make sure you come back and finish your purchase today. So that's the second email. The third email is another incentivized email, but it's a 25% discount code. So now this one says, okay, we noticed you still didn't check out. This is after 18 hours that I send it out. And it says, we noticed you still haven't checked out. Use this 25% discount code available for the next 24 hours to finish your purchase and get this limited time sale or discount, right? So my Abandonment Protector sequence converts at about 7%, which means that 7% of all people who abandon their cart finish the purchase thanks to this app. So that's worth way more than $8 a month that they charge you for this app. So I highly suggest, if you don't have this, make sure you get it on your store immediately. So that's app number 1. App number 2 is called Wheelio. So this is an exit intent pop-up app. Basically what it does is, when a customer comes to your store and they're about to X out or exit your store, this pops up here. Now, you can manually adjust the winning percentages and the actual coupon codes, like how much they win, in the back end of this app. But what it does is it collects their email address and it increases the likelihood that they convert. So say a customer comes to your store, they're about to exit and click off. This will pop up and says, hey, before you leave, you have a chance to win these coupon codes. So now they're like, okay, maybe I can win one of these coupon codes. And I have it set up 100% of the time they win something. Usually it's about 10% discount code, but it shows the potential for a lot more. So it gets them, anxious to try and win. So what they do is they enter their email address, this spins, and then they win based on whatever winning percentage you have set up. So there's 2 things that this does. It increases the likelihood that they convert, and also you get their email address. And everyone knows how important email addresses are, or at least you should. So you get to collect their email address and you get to increase the conversion rate. So if you don't have this, again, another app that I highly suggest you get, because it will save the customers who are about to exit your store and get their email address, or hopefully get them to purchase, okay? That's app number 2. App number 3, this is the email CRM service that I use to send out my promotions, my autoresponder, my pre and post-purchase sequences for email. Now, email is about 20 to 25% of my overall sales. So it's very, very, very important that you have some kind of email app with your store. So Klaviyo is a little more on the expensive side. There's other ones like Market Hero from Alex Becker. There's MailChimp. There's Aweber. There's so many different email services you can use. This is just what I use because it's very clean. It's very good for e-commerce. This is just what I use. You can check the pricing at klaviyo.com. I don't want to go into it too much, but you need to have some kind of email app for your store. Okay, so app number 4, Shop Message. Now, this is one that I haven't seen too many people talk about yet, but it's Facebook Messenger remarketing. So why is this so powerful? Well, think about how many people open their Facebook messages, right? I would say it's about 95% and up compared to email, which is about a 15 to 20% average open rate. Now, why is that important? Well, if 95% of people open up their Facebook messages, you have that much more of a chance of converting someone, right? So what does this app do? It is retargeting and abandoned cart sequences through Facebook Messenger. So it sends out 3 messages, pretty similar to the way Abandonment Protector works. but it's through Facebook Messenger instead of email. So that's super, super effective. This makes me about anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000 extra a month. And it's $99 a month. They have a free trial so you can install this. If you have traffic already coming into your store and you have some sales, I highly recommend you install this app, okay? So it's a little more on the expensive side, but it's paid for itself, you know, many, many, many times over for me. Okay, so check it out, Shop Message. The last app, another app that I don't see too many people talking about, but is working pretty well for me, is called ROI Hunter. So what this does is it sets up retargeting like DPAs and also AdWords retargeting. So let's say a customer comes to your store. This is just a retargeting app that shows retargeting on Google AdWords and Facebook. So I use something called Retarget app as well, but I've just started using this app and seeing pretty good results with it. And it's good because it also does Google AdWords, right? Which a lot of people don't focus on. They focus on Facebook primarily or Instagram influencers, but this is a very good retargeting app to get both AdWords and Facebook in one. So check it out. This is working pretty good for me. I might migrate all of my retargeting stuff to it soon instead of using Retarget app, which is just focused on Facebook. But ROI Hunter, check this out. It's doing very well for me. So the 5 apps, these are the 5 apps that I think can make you an extra $1,000 a month or more each. And these are apps that I use on all of my stores. Highly recommend you check these out. And I hope that was helpful, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. Let me know what you thought of this video and if you're using these apps or if you have any other recommendations, and I'll see you guys in the next video.